Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best mini-size 1 skills ball soccer ball available right now. The PUMA Unisex ORBITA LALIGA mini soccer ball in the bold pale yellow multicolor design. Let's kick things off with the design, vibrant, energetic, and unmistakably eye-catching. PUMA has gone all in with this dynamic graphic layout, splashing its iconic logo across the surface in a way that's both modern and athletic. Whether you're training on the pitch, in the backyard, or even indoors, this ball is going to turn heads. But it's not just about looks. This mini ball is built to perform. Constructed with 32 machine-stitched panels, it offers excellent shape retention. That's critical for players who want consistent touch and flight in every drill. PUMA's attention to durability means it's ready to take a beating from constant use without falling apart or deforming. Moving to the outer surface, we have a 3.00mm PU layer that's been engineered for a soft yet controlled feel. This is especially useful for beginners and intermediate players who are working on their footwork. The feel of the ball matters, and this one delivers just the right amount of cushion without sacrificing response. Inside, there's more performance packed in. The PU foam insert enhances energy return, giving your passes and shots a little extra zip without you needing to overexert. Whether you're practicing nutmegs or juggling tricks, this ball makes it easier to keep things tight and technical. Another thoughtful detail is the inclusion of the PUMA airlock valve, a small component with a big impact. It helps the ball maintain air pressure longer, reducing the frequency of refills and ensuring consistent play over time. What makes this ball truly unique, though, is its identity. It's an official La Liga mini replica. That means it's modeled after the same design philosophy as the full-size match balls used in Spain's top professional league. You get the look and the vibe of elite football, scaled down to a size that's perfect for skill work. And speaking of size, the size 1 format makes this ball ideal for skilled training across all ages. Whether you're a young player just getting started or a seasoned baller refining close control, smaller balls demand sharper focus and faster footwork. It's one of the best ways to improve your touch, coordination, and dribbling precision. Weighing just 0.17 kilograms and made from high-quality rubber, this ball is easy to carry around. Throw it in your gym bag, backpack, or even keep it at your desk for a quick stress relief juggle session. It's a legitimate training tool. Its combination of style, construction, and function makes it a standout in the world of mini soccer balls. Whether you're looking to sharpen your skills or simply want a fun, durable ball to kick around, this one checks all the boxes. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what gear you want us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.